YouTube family, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are viewing my channel for the first time, kindly tap the subscribe button and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to put on the notification bell to be notified anytime I upload a YouTube video. So I and my friends visited the wildlife park. It was a fun day for me as it was my first time to visit a wildlife park. I got to see so many animals. Yes, interesting one. Some that I've never seen before and some that I've seen before. I got to see them again. So after the registration, when we got inside the wildlife park, we started to do a video, a give me some video. It was like a trending video, so we started to do it. The first point of call was the chimpanzee. Then we went to the elephant to see the elephant.
That is the beauty.
Boniface, go closer. Okay, go close. I'm videoing you guys. No, you can touch it now. You can give it something.
We tried to do the give me some video here again. This elephant is very old. You can see from the way it was trying to stretch itself. It was and we decided to feed the elephant.
This is not for your own. It's one.
Okay, you hold it here and
Oh yeah.
See, you are scared. Before can you go scared?
now the one never mature. Now horse, see the neck.
That next side, that upside.
This wildlife park is very big as it was built on a very large expanse of land. Then we got to another part of the wildlife park where we saw other animals.
Wow. See us three though. This is good.
Local name is Gemini.
Oh,
Life park na.
Now see bed this.
No crocodile na. Na crocodile na.
Okay, see the biggest one near that distance.
see those already on the floor now.
Those see the biggest one. See one here. This one might be private.
This one die, I didn't.
They rest. No,
Then they inside the water.
don't play time. If I say enter this water, don't give them food though.
They chop human being.
Anna.
This is the right danger. Now they see danger sign.
And then we saw the king of the zoo. Yes, we saw the lion. But this lion was very stubborn. Oh. It refused to stand up. It was awake. One eye was open, but it refused to stand up. Upon all the noise we made, it was still sleeping. I think it was waiting for one victim to get inside there so that it could just land on the victim.
Who do you think? The man they protect him territory.
I don't know if
You see how this part was where in every wildlife park you go, or this is how it usually is. Because this is a very dangerous zoo. It's a park that has housed the python and his children.
they go down.
Okay, see them. See those ones that are lying there.
Okay, see another one inside here. Now 2 days there, sir. There. Now 2 days there.
How they say anything?
And they see him.
2 9 days there.
They just settle themselves. Come down there. You
Peacock. May open him. May open him back. See peacock there. May open him. That back one.
This not ready.
Peacock do now.
Hey, make it spread in the body. You will see the very fine.
Peacock.
I want to give a peacock.
Wait, you now like this as a natural color.
Very
This is
fine.
natural color.
Yes.
Flying.
If they open their back now, you see the beauty in it. Show us yourself now.
Come and take popcorn.
Oh yeah?
In far into the
Oh yeah?
See all this one.
Color. That
What's it there for your neck?
That's a sickness.
No, not it.
What's in the name of
that
this
thing
one?
is that their beak is sharp. Oh.
Very sharp.
See, oh, in the itamo. See, oh, see, oh.
This one they come.
Throw for in throat. It don't come.
What's in the name of this one?
Stop. Peacock, show us your back, baby.
Do shakara for us.
I don't forget how they do this to me. Show us your back.
Very fine.
This one is so beautiful.
I'm telling you.
Yummy. I'm seeing it for the another problem.
And that's how we Kaduna. Show us yourself. Hello, peacock. We don't know.
You spread this feathers.
Spray your feathers.
Hey.
So something happened here. This animal grabbed a girl's hair, a little child's hair,
You don't cut the girl
out
hair.
of her head. Yes, I don't know why, but I think he was very hungry. So when the child was getting close to him, he grabbed the hair out of her head. The child was so scared. I'm sure she would never go close to this kind of animal
You not
again.
happen. You want my mom to go buy banana. So I want to come buy banana. You come bring the money.
You give the money.
This thing gets sense.
You give the money back.
Now almost human
Yes,
being.
give the
You
money
bring the
back.
money back. Come carry the banana.
Okay.
Shift, oh.
See, oh, see, oh.
You just put the hand. Again, no.
Yeah, you never the girl I told her let
Come, okay.
They meet, okay.
So for every animal who visited their cage, we tried feeding them with popcorn. And funny enough, they were eating popcorn. They were happily jumping to get the popcorn.
Caro cow.
Kakaka. Karaka.
Taraka.
Very ugly. No,
And you see this animal they call idiot. I got to see it though. Yes, for the first time. I got to see it for the first time. Idiot is an animal. Farm, I saw the werewolf for the very first time. I'm seeing the werewolf physically. And it was my first time. I was so excited because the only time I got to see a werewolf was in a movie, and that was Teen Wolf. Look at how beautiful the werewolf is looking.
for night.
Yes, werewolf. This is werewolf.
And the fun parts. We get to ride on a horse. I enjoyed this part so very much. I was scared at first, so if you climb a horse, you'll be so scared. But if you're on the ground, you think, this animal is so fine though. But if you climb on it, you'll be so scared. I was so scared. You see how the man was holding the horse. I was telling him, Oga, be careful, don't leave it though. So let me know in the comment section, have you ever visited a wildlife park before? What was the most interesting part of your visit? For me, the most interesting part was seeing those animals that I've never seen. And then I get to see the werewolf. It was so interesting for me. I was excited seeing the werewolf alone. And the fun part for me was riding on this horse. It was scary, so scary, but I so enjoyed it. At the end of our horse riding and visit, we took a group photograph and then we did a closing give me some video. It was a fun day for all of us. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you next time. Bye.